The ROKR steam traction kit also comes with accessories consisting of a wagon with some barrels, park bench, and a lamp post. They're neat little accessories to build a scene with it. If you were going to take this kit and further detail it, you could paint the driver and the stoker, and you could certainly stain the casks that are in the trailer, but it is a quick and nice little kit. The trailer axles are sprung, so it rides pretty nicely, and the little bench and the street lamp are just neat little details that are extra with the kit. But overall, this has been a fun little kit to build. Easy and quick, relatively quick to assemble. Again, all the tools you need came with it, so you didn't have to have anything, but having a larger screwdriver for some of the screws was handy. The tiny screwdriver in the kit is designed for the small screws in the kit and doesn't work on the larger head screws as well. One important note is that all of the springs, they get attached with screws, but you need to leave them loose so that they aren't, so that they can move properly to give the suspension features. But as soon as I'm done with this, it's going to be a lovely little model for my shelf. And it was quite impressive and a lot of fun to build.